Hey guys, welcome to my another video, and in this video I'm going to explain you about the disinfectant, its types and its mechanism on virus and bacteria. I'm gonna explain how exactly the disinfectant chemical kills the virus and bacteria, so be with me till the end of this video, and it would be awesome if you guys like this video and subscribe my channel. Disinfectant is a chemical agent that is used to kill harmful microorganisms like bacteria, virus, and fungus. Some of the examples are sodium hypochlorite, hydrogen peroxide, formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde, alcohols like ethanol and benzalkonium chloride, and many more. Disinfectant has a wide range of application in several fields. Primary function is to kill harmful pathogens and clean the applied surface. Disinfectant is one of the most important sanitary items used to kill germs in kitchen, bathroom, drains, furniture and sink. In hospital, it is used to clean surgical equipments, operation room, waiting room and laboratories.
Carroll and Darkin introduced Darkin solution, which is a type of disinfectant for the treatment of trauma during the First and Second World War. Till now, Darkin solution is used to prevent infection in cut, wounds and laceration.
Water we drink consists of chlorine disinfectant at very low concentration to make it safe and germ-free. Similarly, water in the swimming pool is treated with liquid bleach. So don't stay underwater for a longer time, your eyes may glow red. Disinfectant has long history of being used in livestock farming. For example, it is used in poultry farm to reduce the bacterial and viral load in the litter, thus making the in-house environment safe for animals. Disinfectant like sodium hypochlorite, hydrogen peroxide, quaternary ammonium compounds are used to disinfect road, houses, vehicle, subways, public places, and also they are used to disinfect humans to prevent the spreading of virus during the outbreak like coronavirus in 2020, Ebola virus in 2014, and influenza A virus in 2009. They are broadly classified into two types, oxidizing agent and non-oxidant. Oxidizing agent kills germs by oxidizing them, while non-oxidant kills them by coagulating them. Some popular oxidizing agents are sodium hypochlorite, povidone iodine solution, hydrogen peroxide, boracic acid. Similarly, some of the popular non-oxidants are alcohol like ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol, chlorhexidine, quaternary ammonium compounds like benzalkonium chloride and glutaraldehyde. There are several types of disinfectant which have several mechanisms, but today we are going to learn about the most famous and the most effective disinfectant, sodium hypochlorite. Okay, here is a chemical reaction that gives rise to the reactive species which attack microbes. When dissolved in water, sodium hypochlorite forms hypochlorous acid. The hypochlorous acid remains in equilibrium with the hypochlorite ion. More hypochlorous acid is produced when pH is made less than 6 and more hypochlorite ion is produced when pH is made greater than 8. Before diving right into the mechanism of disinfection, let's take a look at our summary first in the graphical form. Let us suppose sodium hypochlorite be a gun which can fire two types of bullet, hypochlorous acid HOCl and hypochlorite ion OCl-. Hypochlorous acid is about 100 times stronger in killing microbes than hypochlorite ion. Hypochlorite ion damages cell wall of the bacteria, but it can't pass lipid bilayer of cell membrane, whereas hypochlorous acid is strong. It can damage cell wall, plasma membrane, genetic materials, and other organelles of microbe. Sodium hypochlorite destroys cellular protein, nucleic acid, cell wall, cell membrane, antioxidant and enzymes, and it also disrupts the oxidative phosphorylation mechanism, which is responsible for the preparation of ATP. If the cell cannot prepare the ATP, then the cell eventually dies. The genetic materials DNA or RNA is vulnerable to disinfectant like sodium hypochlorite and hydrogen peroxide. It attacks DNA or RNA strand directly. It also attacks phosphate backbone, ribose or deoxyribose sugar. It may break hydrogen bonding between DNA base pairs. If any of these action happens, then DNA is inactivated. For simplicity, I want to give you an example. When sodium hypochlorite attacks deoxyribose sugar of DNA, it forms deoxyribonolactone, which makes the sugar useless. In order to understand the action on cell wall, first of all we should have to understand what the cell wall is composed of. Bacterial cell wall is made of peptidoglycan, which is also known as murin, and the main component are N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmuramic acid. In shortcut, we can say them NAM and NAG. These NAM and NAG layer are linked via oligopeptide bond. This disinfectant breaks the peptide bond that is present in the oligopeptide. Thus, the integrity of cell wall is broken. Action of disinfectant on plasma membrane is really simple. Plasma membrane is made of lipid bilayer, which is also known as phospholipid. Phospholipid is composed of hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. The hydrophobic tail may be saturated or unsaturated. This oxidizing agent breaks lipid into smaller fatty acid. They further attack double bond of unsaturated fatty acid, and when cell wall and plasma membrane flexibility is lost and it becomes stiffened, the cell eventually collapses and the content bursts and the microbe becomes finally non-infectious. Every organism has internal defense system. In such a way, microbial cells are also equipped with several defense systems, including antioxidants such as glutathione and enzymes including catalase, peroxidase, and superoxide dismutase. Free radicals are produced inside the cell of every living organism as a metabolic byproduct. This free radical needs to be converted into the harmless form, and the process of converting free radical into the harmless form is done by the antioxidant. So we are also often suggested to eat antioxidant vitamins, which you can get from fruits and vegetables easily. These protective antioxidants are inactivated by sodium hypochlorite, so that the free radicals produced inside the cell can be converted into the harmless form. And these free radicals damage cells in addition to sodium hypochlorite. So this was all about disinfectant. If you want to learn more scientific stuff, then subscribe this channel. With that being said, this is Elements of Fun, and catch you guys in the next video.